welcome to the vlog. Basa pa yung ano natin. So, the van is fixed. And we're off to some camping trip at dala natin yung mga bike natin. We have our bikes ready. We go to my hometown in Asupri, sa Maiti. And there are some rough roads, so we have to bring bikes para hindi kami so we won't get tired hiking, or I don't know if it's too steep. I don't know if we can really go on. I mean, we can really do it with a van, but I'm excited on this trip. I'm inviting my cousins, the one I was with in the Pamanhikan, very tall cousins. So they're gonna be with me today. We're gonna do bonfire, I guess, and chatting. Lots of yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. In my hometown na. Check na natin yung bike. Let's check the bike kung okay lang ba. Di ba na ano? Okay lang ba? Parang same pa rin natin. Medyang ayusin. But it's fine. It's fine. Medyang ayusin. I think it's fine naman. Go na. Okay. Our guy Joey isn't here yet, but I think lang this is the place he told me kung saan kami pwede mag-camp. Gagawa akong shortcut. Mahuli ko dito Dito yun. Hindi ko alam. Overlooking the pen. Marami may kitang city lights. So tingnan ko siya dito. This is the one. Oh. I think ito yun. Oh my gosh. I think this is it. Oh. No. If this is the best spot here. Gotta find another place. Tingin tayo ng magandang spot. Let's try to look for a nice spot. After all, this is it pala. This is it. The perfect location. And there.
Bird on a tree.
Oh, perfect.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back.
Oh my God.
To see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors.
Dai, thank you kay Dai.
Forever free.
Sige, shout out, shout out. VANLIFE Philippines, yeah. Yeah. To catch the perfect sunrise. Ayan tayo eh. Morning guys. So this is our setup. The van here and the toilet tent thing. Morning guys. Ang ganda ng view. Today we're gonna try the sweet thumb coffee. Thank you Roxy Dacuya. It's the weekend. Shout out sa ito yung kanilang coffee. Follow them on Facebook guys. Caramel. Cause this what's inside the happiness coffee guys, and you just open this one here, tear it apart, and
Kaya si Gaga yung mga models kape o gusto pa kayo gawin yung pagtulog niya. Boom!
How's the caramel coffee?
Pwede na siya mainom ug wala siya kalamay.
Mo ba? Aw?
Kay di man siya para tuban nga pait jud kaayos tanan mo.
Oh wow, oh my god. Caramel, did you taste the caramel flavor? Oh my gosh. We're gonna try the other flavor. Matcha now. Okay kayo.
Follow on Facebook, Sweet Thumb Coffee. Yes. Tama.
Pancakes, time for pancakes, guys.
Huh? Pancakes o na?
Pancake.
Fee o fee?
Over.
Kumusta yung pagkatulog? Kumusta yung pagkatulog, ma'am?
Kaya naman kayo, ma'am. Perting di ka nang maak di sulod.
Ano di?
Sakit yung lawas.
Sa doktor.
Hatlaro ka na ginapag ba? Bira kayo na.
Sakit yung lawas. Ganito yung magluto ng ano, sa bukid.
Magkuha ka ng bato.
O, diba? May bato lang. Bato is the key, guys. Cooker. Nagawa na namin cook, bebe.
Hello.
Portable kitchen. Kasi mahangin dito, guys, eh. Ang hangin. So, dito na lang transfer namin sa loob. Transferred it side. Canton corner. Kumusta ang pancit canton?
Araw na Tuesday.
Madali mo kung ba mo gatay na.
Ay, ikaw na din. Wala niya kita. So nice, how nice it is up here.